YouTube channel Rena Rocks. I want to show you a different side of me today. I am doing puzzles. Love to do puzzles. I've done this one a couple of times, put it together, taken it apart. So come do a puzzle with me. I'm all finished with my puzzle. I absolutely love this puzzle. And I want to show you the great thing about this puzzle. I showed you the box earlier, but the way it interlocks, it's like a wooden puzzle. You can pick it up and it won't fall apart. So I'm going to try to find more puzzles like this. Let's see. Let's put it back down. See? Just the way it locks together. So absolutely love this puzzle. And I'm all finished. Thank you for watching. YouTube channel Rena Rocks. This is just one of the ways I like to relax. You know, we plan, but you know, planning is kind of almost like doing a puzzle. Kind of like fitting the stickers in different squares and different things, and so this is just a different kind of puzzle. So Thank you for joining me. Like I said, YouTube channel Rena Rocks. Always shine bright and have a great day. Bye-bye.